The steel cut oatmeal is so good. Got some butter in there, brown sugar, raisins, a little hot Spam to go with it. It's not bad at all. All right, well, I'm gonna clean this place up and then we're gonna go explore outside. We got a lot of snow out there. All right, let's go see what it's like outside. It's a proper little snowstorm up here. It is really snowing. All of this fresh snow is gonna make the avalanche danger go through the roof. Luckily, we're not in any avalanche zones, so we'll be okay.